Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you raw footage of me messing around with different art materials, aka mediums, specifically charcoal and chalk pastels. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video and inspires you just to take out some paper and start drawing. Enjoy guys! For charcoal, I like to use newsprint paper. This type of paper is more for experimentation and everything, but I like to use that because I'm a messy artist and I'm always experimenting stuff. Or you could use charcoal paper, which has like some texture on it, which can absorb like the chalkiness better, but it's whatever your preference is. Alright, so first you need a flat surface. My desk is at an angle, but that is okay. As long as you just have a place to like put your paper on and start drawing. Okay, so you're gonna start this journey and you need your materials. I got an art bin. You don't need an art bin, but you could just get these at Michael's. It's like literally just a fishing tackle box. That's what it is, but yeah, but it holds my art materials. And this thing that I'm holding right here is called a tortillon. It's literally just a blending stick. It can be called a blending stick, but that's just to smudge stuff and blend graphite pencils and charcoal. These are, I don't know the name of it, but they are like pencils. They are literally just pencils, but like in charcoal form, like charcoal pencils, yeah. And then these are the babies, yes, the charcoal sticks. They're called pastel sticks, but they're charcoal blocks. And then this is willow charcoal. This is like, or vine charcoal, but they're like, see, they're like super thin charcoal sticks, and you can use that to sketch with stuff too. Once you got your materials, dude, you are good to go. Now you're probably wondering, Mandy, I have all my materials, I have my flat surface, my paper and everything, but I don't know what to draw. Listen, there is no pressure at all, because in art, it's like, you just do it. You make those lines, you discover new materials and experiment with different stuff. You think about like the last time you went on a walk or something, or like the last time like you saw something that was beautiful. Like think about that, like try to draw that. Like that's what art is that like it's just you're translating what you're imagining onto a flat surface, and it could look horrible. I mean, in your eyes, in your perspective, or it could look amazing. Just depends on how you look at it. But there is no pressure in art. You just draw lines, just do it. Okay, so in case you couldn't tell, I'm drawing a human being. It's obviously not realistically accurate, but I mean, this is what came from my mind, and I was just drawing, I was getting into it. But right now, I'm mapping out the eyes, and I remember when I was little, like I would always start off like with drawing like football-looking shapes for the eyes, and then I would put in like the pupils. But I was just trying, I've been trying to like, whenever I want to draw like kind of semi-realistic eyes, I always start with the pupils first. Like where are the pupils which direction is the person gonna look at? And I draw the circles there. And then I begin to add like lines, to draw like the outline of the eyeball and everything. Okay, my least favorite part of drawing a person is the lips, because I tend to make them too big, or they look like, I don't know, just too flat. I don't know, it's weird. Lips are just weird to draw. But yes, and I fall into like this bad perfectionist mindset, because as you can see, yes, I'm erasing and like redrawing, but it's like, I mean, that's okay too, but it's like, just don't get so caught up and like trying to make everything perfect, because I know I do, but it's art, and there's gonna be trial and error, but you just continue to draw and see what you like, but don't get too crazy. So I decided to like make the person like their finger go in like between their lip and to show their teeth. So see, that's like a perfect example of like how you will draw something and then you might make changes, you know, and you know, it could make your piece look better or it could make it look horrible. But it just matters if you're just having fun and enjoying yourself. Alright, time for Willow Charcoal. Oh my gosh, this Willow Charcoals are like so smooth. They are smooth like butter. But yeah, like they're just so smooth. And like I'm gonna use them just to like outline stuff. But yeah, like they're just so smooth. And they're very fragile, so be careful not to go super hard. But sometimes I do go super hard and I end up snapping the things in half. Alright y'all, your new favorite anime character, the one and only Charcoal. Unlike Willow Charcoal, these guys, they are dark, so, and you're gonna have a hard time erasing stuff, and as you can see, like, I went too dark, but it's okay. I'm gonna get some white chalk pastel and like brighten some areas up. Welcome to the next step. Now we're gonna use the rolled up little toilet paper blending stick or the tortillons, whatever. But yeah, dude, these are like literally just blending sticks. You blend in like the markings that you made on your paper. These work really good with chalk pastels, charcoal, and also graphite pencils, like just regular pencils. Okay, so I can't stand how dark the hair made the whole picture, so I'm just adding some little bit of color. I'm just using chalk pastel because I really just want to like brighten up the picture, but let's see if this helps it in any way. So as you're progressing in your piece, you want to keep in mind about adding variety to your piece. So what that is that like you are creating like a way of inviting the viewer to look throughout the whole piece as a whole. So for example, what I'm doing here is that I'm drawing this butterfly on the right corner and using the same color as I used for the woman's shirt. So as I'm doing that, like that, you know, your eyes go to the shirt, they can go to the butterfly and go to the eyes. So what it is that you're basically, it's almost like you're stitching together all the elements so that whoever's looking at your piece can see your whole piece as like a whole. And voila, this is the finished product. I was not planning on drawing something scary and weird looking, but hey, it's whatever. That's how my imagination works. And that's how the art process works. You just gotta be spontaneous and draw whatever. But thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video. Let me know in the comments below if there's any specific mediums, you know, that you guys want me to try out. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.